Hello, AG Ghana family. I am your General Superintendent, Reverend Stephen Wengam. It's my pleasure and pleasant duty to invite all our pastors and their spouses to the maiden National Pastors and Spouses Prayer Retreat. Hooray! It's a prayer, family life, and power event. The date is Monday 4th to Friday 8th of August 2025, and the venue, Pentecost Convention Center, Gomoa, Fetteh. Theme: praying for supernatural manifestations. 1 Thessalonians 5, verse number 17. The guest speaker is Reverend Ong, General Superintendent, Malaysia, Assemblies of God. He carries a strong prophetic mantle and unction. Activities include 24 hours prayer chain on the sidelines every day, on-season prayer daily, prophetic ministration, marriage clinic, renewal of vows, prayer for the fruit of the womb, impartation of fresh anointing and spiritual gifts, the release of graces to grow mega churches. Our special guest of honor is His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana, and Her Excellency Lodina Mahama, the First Lady of Ghana. Pastors and your spouses, don't miss this historic and prophetic event of all time. Come and be transformed. Come and be resourced. Come one, come all. See you there. Pray, pray, pray,